Okay, so today I'm going to look at multiplying two expressions. So in this type of question, it's an example on page 242 and I'm going to run through it. So it's the worked example 15.9. So the first one is x plus 1 bracket x plus 7. So now I have two brackets side by side like that. Okay, right, so what I need to do is I need to first of all split it. Okay, so it tells me expand the brackets and simplify. Okay, so brackets we know means to multiply. So the first thing I do is I write down my first term here, which is x, and I go bracket everything in the second bracket, so bracket x plus 7. Okay, then I go my second term, which is plus 1, and I go bracket everything in my second bracket, x plus 7. Okay, this is where my arrow, so it's like the homework that you were doing last night, so it's x times x, x times 7, 1 times x, 1 times 7. Okay, so you rewrite that. Okay, so I go x bracket x plus x bracket 7 plus 1 bracket x plus 1 bracket 7. Okay, x times x, I'll get x squared. X times 7 is 7x. 1 times x is 1x, and then 1 times 7 is 7. And now I get to add like terms. Okay, so I've no other x squared, so I put an x on its own. Then I have a plus 7x, I need to add that, a plus 1x, they can go together, and the final one then that can go by itself is the plus 7. So to simplify it then, I have my x squared, 7x plus 1x, I have plus 8x plus my 7. And that's it, completed. The next example that I have is bracket 2x plus 3 bracket x minus 2, and I have two brackets side by side. So my first thing I do is I take my first term, which is 2x, and I go bracket everything in the second bracket. Then I take my second term, which is plus 3, bracket everything in the second bracket, x minus 2. So I have to split my brackets first. Okay, I draw my arrows, so this times this, this times this, this times this, this times this. And I rewrite it, so I have 2x bracket x plus 2x bracket minus 2 plus 3 bracket x plus 3 bracket minus 2. Now I have 2x times x, I get 2x squared, 2x, so plus by minus gives me minus, 2 by 2 is 4x, plus 3x, plus by minus is minus, minus 6. And now I circle the terms that will go together, so 2x squared, and now I need to have my x's will go together, and then my constant is on its own here, minus 6. So the final answer is going to be, when it's simplified, 2x squared minus 4x plus 3x is minus 1x or minus x minus 6. And that's it expanded. So this is where we expanded it and this is where we simplified it. Okay, I will do one more example. So I have 5y minus 1 bracket 2y minus 3. So I have two brackets side by side. The first thing I need to do is I need to split my brackets. So I take my first term, which is 5y, times everything in the second bracket, 2y minus 3. I take my second term, which is minus 1, times everything in the second bracket, 2y minus 3. Now I draw my arrows. This is like what you had last night for homework. Okay, and I rewrite my sum. So I have 5y bracket 2y plus 5y bracket minus 3 minus 1 bracket 2y minus 1 bracket minus 3. And now I multiply this out. 5 by 2 is 10, y by y is y squared, 5 plus by minus is minus, 5 by 3 is minus 15y, minus by a plus is minus, and that's 2y, minus by minus, that's plus, and that's 3. And then I circle the terms, so y squared is actually going to be on its own. Then I will have minus 15y minus 2y, and then I have here plus 3. Okay, so then 10y squared, I can't add anything to that, so I just write down 10y squared minus 15 minus 2, that's minus 17y plus 3. And that's your final answer then.